tractors have big wheels and hooks for grain trailers.
Very nice.
And they have caps so snow don't get on them. There's a little, when you take the cab off, Dad, I take the cab off.
Oh, really?
The cab comes off. When it's winter, you might put the cab back on. And it has squishy tires. One has hard tires, and the dog came at the tire and he chewed on it. And it's trying to get a flat tire. And this can climb up on high mountains. And it can go, and it can hang a trailer up. And look, kids, a grain, a auger. Now what kind of auger is it?
It's a grain auger. You were right.
It's a grain auger. And you put grain in it, but not real grain, pretend grain. See, kids? And watch this, kids. And watch this, kids. And look. And it's grabbing it and put the grain out. And it has the other holder. This are and these is the auger when it attached to the other auger. What kind of auger is this?
It's the dispensing auger.
And it attached to this auger, kids. And this has this black thing on it, shoots out it very fast. In the dump truck. Give me that dump truck. And this can, all the grain shoots out it very fast. And when it's done spraying very fast, you put it like this, kids. Okay, the video is done. And the video is done.